Hi, I'm Neva. I'm a PP3 and I am part of the Posh Tarts. I'm here today to tell you about shipping. I've done shipping samples and products a few different ways, and this is the way that I found works best for me. I used to get bubble mailers and write them out and weigh them and then go and put stamps on them. If I didn't know how much they were, I would go wait in line at the post office. It was a huge ordeal and it was kind of a pain. So I found something out that works really well for me. I feel that it's the most cost-effective way and it's the easiest way by far. So I started using PayPal shipping. There's no monthly charge, no monthly fees, and it pretty much spells it out for you. The only thing that I really needed to buy was an inexpensive weight scale that I got off Amazon. I also use bubble mailers that I also got off Amazon, and then extra little things that I like to throw in my packages, like maybe some organza bags, stuff like that. The easy way to do it with PayPal is you can do multi-order shipping. All you need to do is put everything in your bag that you want to do. It'll ask you for address, for weight, all that good stuff. You do it, and then you're just going to print up your label on a handy-dandy little label. These are also grabbed on Amazon. They're two-sided. Super easy. All you do is peel them off, stick them on, and you're good to go. If you have bigger packages, this is where I found the best help ever. If you have bigger packages, for example, when I send big party packs, they're going to be a little bit expensive. I found priority mail packages are the best way to do it. And the coolest thing is if you go on the United States Postal Service website, they will send these to you for free. So I've got a couple that I really like. One is $7 to ship, one is $7.05, and one is $7.10 to ship. They're really cost effective. If it fits, it ships. So if you've got a bunch of stuff to ship, this is the way to go. It's by weight for all packages minus these priority. These are cute little boxes, so I will do mystery boxes. You just fold them up and you tape them together. They're super easy to do, super fun to do. You can also customize them however you want. Little goodies on the inside, whatever you need. But if it fits, it ships. So you can go on and you can get these in packs of like 25 or 50, absolutely free. They will ship these bad boys to you for free. You stick your label on when you're done, and that's it. I go to the post office, I stick these in the little slots, the little mailboxes, and I'm done. I'm not waiting at the mailbox anymore. I'm not waiting at the post office. I'm not in line. I don't have to do any of that stuff anymore. And it's just with a few little things that I grabbed off Amazon, and it's made my life a million times easier. If I am going to ship maybe one sample, I will still use an envelope. I'll just write on there, no non-machinable on top and on the bottom. That's it. I don't want these to get smushed by a machine and then somebody gets it and it's gross and yeah. So just write non-machinable on the envelope and mail it off. That's it. All right. I hope this was helpful. If you need anything, please feel free to shout me out. I'm Neva. Have a great day.